Meaning of hypothalamus.
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 Hypothalamus. The hypothalamus is a small, but vital, region in the brain that plays a crucial role in regulating many of the body's most important functions. It is located at the base of the brain, and acts as a sort of control center for everything from hunger and thirst to body temperature and sleep. The hypothalamus also plays a key role in the endocrine system, helping to regulate hormone production and release from the pituitary gland. Overall, a hypothalamus is an incredibly important part of the brain that helps to maintain a delicate balance throughout the body.